And just like that, we made it! The waterfall! Hey, what's going on everybody? I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're making the most out of your day. My name is Connor Gall. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Colombia. So we've been in Medellin, Colombia for 1 week and it's been an incredible week. First of all, we have this incredible view from the place we live. Our hosts have been phenomenal. They're the sweetest, kindest people ever. We've been staying at this church and we've been able to serve at the church. We've been able to practice for it's early, it's like, yeah, anyways, we've been practicing for this kids program that we're going to be doing throughout the next couple of weeks, and today we're getting ready to go on a nature hike. So we're kind of tired because the first week was busy and yeah, a lot going on, but super excited to kind of get out and walk a little bit today, headed to a waterfall. So nice break day after a long week of ministry. Haven't filmed any, but I'll probably overlay some clips from this past week of ministry right now while we travel to the place. Okay. Okay, so for clarification's sake, those clips were all from Wesley and my other teammates, squad mates, because like I said, I didn't record, but they did, and they let me borrow some of their footage because they're so nice. We just got here to San Pedro. We're gonna be doing like a cool nature walk with the youth of San Pedro, hanging out with them, doing some ministry. Here's the crew.
Hey!
You guys ready for the day?
Yes, waterfall!
Describe the first week of ministry last week.
Kind of exhausting, new stuff,
Completely
but also
awesome.
exciting and awesome.
We learned some new dances.
Yeah.
So the church that we're staying at has another location here in San Pedro. We're going there now to use the bathroom, stuff like that. Danny boy, how do you feel about the day, my man?
I feel really good. The bus ride was beautiful. It's farmland. It's like, it's my habitat. I feel at home, really.
Let's go.
Just don't see it.
This is Johnny right here. Johnny, say what's up. What would you like to say? ¿Cómo está?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, bien. Johnny's the man. He's the music leader. It's incredible.
So hard on the
Welcome to Colombia. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our fearless leader, the pastor, Pastor Willie. Hola.
Hola, hola.
¿Cómo está?
Excelente, excelente. Aquí vamos de caminada.
He's
Con todo el grupo.
He is absolutely the man, taking such great care of us, and an incredible host number one, country number one, all that stuff. He's the man. That was a literal baby cow in the back of that motorcycle. Oh, you don't stop seeing new stuff, man. There's new things to see every day. And like, look at this. How beautiful. Wow. Wesley getting that drone footage. Yeah. For Pastor and for the vlog. Yeah. Here we go. Enjoy some beautiful drone footage from Wesley. And just like that, we made it! The waterfall! Let's Okay, before we eat dinner, I just wanted to hang out with you guys a little bit and talk a little bit about my thoughts on this first week in the world race in Colombia. First week of ministry and really first big day of ministry yesterday on Sunday, which was an awesome day. Oh, there goes an umbrella. As far as like Sunday service, interacting with the people, praying with the people, worshiping with the people, yesterday was like the first big day and it was incredible. Pastor Willie actually asked me to speak and it was awesome to be able to get up with Oscar's help through translation, be able to deliver a message, because that's something I love to do, and that's why I came on the race, is to share the gospel, to tell people how much Jesus loves them, to remind them that there is hope, that they are seen. So it was just really cool to communicate that and have that opportunity. Thank you to Pastor Willie and his wife. They've been so kind in letting us serve at their church, just opening up their home and their ministry to us. I couldn't ask for a better group of people to do ministry with. Something that the World Race drilled into us is that life is ministry and ministry is life. So just remember that, like, as you walk throughout your Christian life, don't think about serving God as like turning a switch on and off. Just keep that switch on, man. Enjoy the life that God has chosen for you. Enjoy the path that He has you on. Don't like feel bad about it. Don't, I don't know, feel guilty about the blessings that God has given you. And if you're going through hard times, like, lean into those, because God's doing some incredible things in your life. Be sure to slow down, enjoy the little awesome moments, those days that come. But just remember, life is ministry, ministry's life, and life is good. Cool. We'll see you at dinner. Goodbye, beautiful waterfall. Thank you for being so kind to us today. Now we begin the trek back to San Pedro, trying not to step in all of these cow patties. They're literally everywhere. Thanks, man. We will see you in San Pedro. Made it back to Maria's house. Everyone's using the bathroom in her house. Feel bad for her plumbing. The day's almost over. Gonna say goodbye soon to these awesome kiddos and people. And but yeah, awesome day. Great to get to know these guys better. Okay. Ciao, Maria. Ciao, ciao. Bye. Maria's the best. I think that's her name. What? See, I think I'm sunburned. I think that's what he's saying. This might be the cutest dog I have seen in all my travels. Look at this guy. Hey, puppy. I'm not gonna touch you, but you are cute. Cutie? Cutie. We've seen a couple stray dogs today, multiples, but that is the cutest one. Hola. Maggie, what do you have there?
I have a mango. After trying 5 stores, we finally have a mango. I'm so excited to eat this.
Took you all day.
All day, but we found it.
What a way to end the day. It's a mango. We're back at the bus stop, headed back to the place we're staying, which is in San Cristobal, I believe, Colombia. It's been an awesome day hanging out with these guys. So much fun. Thank you guys for coming along. I'm gonna put the camera away, end the vlog here. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not already a subscriber, smash that subscribe button if that's something you're into. Smash my subscribe button, not his. Just kidding. Oscar's the man. Until next time, peace!